Hello, traders. This is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me today for another video. I'm so glad you could be here with me. I've taken a mini vacation. About the end of the second month of December, I noticed that I was sitting on a very nice profit, about 1,200 pips. So I decided to take the rest of the month off, and now I'm back here with you. Today I'm here to talk to you about a very profitable low risk trade setup when you find it in your chart, and that is your trading steps. And what you have before you are bullish trading steps and bearish trading steps on your 1 minute time frame. But you can also find your steps on your 5 minute time frame, your 15-minute time frame, your 30-minute time frame, your hourly time frame, your 4 hour time frame, your daily time frame, your weekly time frame, and on your monthly time frame. What I want to note is that the longer your time frame, the more profitable your trade setup is going to be for you. Let me give you an example. You have this set of bearish steps here, and in this bearish step setup, from the high to the low, you have over 3,700 pips. It would take you 4 months to take full advantage of that, but I just want you to notice that the longer your time frame, the more profitable your trade setup is going to be. Now, you cannot do this on a 1 minute, 5 minute, 4 hour, 1 day, or weekly chart. You can't do it because you're going to get the retracements. But you can trade every time frame in a set of stairs and be profitable. But just remember, if you are in a 1 minute time frame, you cannot ride those steps for an hour. Price is going to retrace on you. So if you're trading a smaller time frame, like your 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, then get in and get a nice profit and get out. Most of the steps that I'm showing you for illustration purposes, most of them are pretty much textbook perfect, even though this isn't exactly perfect. Most of them are going to be a pretty perfect set of stairs. However, most of the times in the market, what you'll find are steps that's not quite as perfect, because every now and then the market's going to throw you a little surprise. So you're much more likely to find little surprises in your steps than not. But the steps are still as profitable if you see them and you can trade them. And again, they're relatively low risk trades. So now the question is, how is it that you would trade this setup? Before you, you have a set of bullish steps, and what you'll note about each candle is that the candle will fall below the previous candle's close and the previous candle's high before continuing on in a bullish manner. Every candle you'll see this. Note this candle here. Here is your high and here's your close. You'll note that the candle falls below your high and below your close before proceeding. So what it is that you want to do is make a note of what your close was for the previous candle, regardless of the time frame. Once price falls below that point, then you want to look for a valid reversal signal on a smaller time frame. If you want more information on trading this, please go back to my Forex trading video strategy. It actually has a little bit more detail than I'm going to give you today. Now, where would you place your stop loss if you're going to trade this entire step setup? You want to put your stop loss a few pips below the low of your reversal candle. Now, what about your bearish step setup? Well, you want to place your stop loss above the reversal candle again. And what you'll notice about the candles here is that the candle will go above the previous day's close and the previous day's low before continuing on in a bearish fashion. You'll note here that your candle went above the previous candle's low and close, which happen to be the same, before continuing to drop down in a bearish fashion. Now, you want to, when you note the close of the previous candle, you want to watch price go above that low. And once you get a valid reversal candlestick pattern on a smaller time frame, you want to trade in harmony with your bearish step trend. Or if it's a bullish step trend, then you want to go in the direction of your stepping trend. Like I said, this is a relatively low risk, profitable trade setup. It's a trade setup that I love. It's relatively easy. You just have to be paying attention. Guys, this isn't rocket science. I promise you, you can do this. Thank you for being my friends. Thank you for joining me for my videos. I want this to be the most profitable, wonderful, fun-filled, happy new year you've ever had. Guys, you can make this the most profitable year ever. Remember your education. You have entered one of the toughest markets in the world. Invest time in educating yourself. Practice, drill, and rehearse on your demo account. Make this work for you. It's possible. You can do it. Have a super new year.